What's up, kids? You know who it is? It's your cash cow here in Mexico on a... Oh my gosh, it's Friday again. It seems like every day is freaking Friday. I am not... The older you get, guys, the quicker it goes, as my dad always said, and he was certainly right on that. Anyway, guys, this video is going to let you guys know if you can still make money with print on demand in 2024/2025/ for the rest of your life. Anyway, guys, I crack myself up, don't I? Anyway, guys, I am going to show you and tell you once again that you can still make money with print on demand, guys. As you know, my print on demand store has recently been failing, but not failing like failing, but from what I've done in the past, it's failing to me. But as I always tell you guys, never give up on stuff, especially print on demand and Shopify and affiliate marketing and stuff like that. You just have to be patient. And we just got an order on my print on demand store on Shopify. We'll dive right into that. That was three. Someone just, that's an order for $149.18. 3 items, and we've already had an order for 3 items like 3 or 4 hours ago when I awoke. Actually, it was $168. And then yesterday, guys, just when I was about ready to blow my freaking head off, guys, if you only knew, well, for one, what goes through my mind, but you can't have a weak mind when going into trying to build an online store, a print-on-demand store. Patience is key, and don't do anything with your ads. Although I did tweak something on my on one of my ads. Actually, I sent it an appeal because they weren't showing my products because of the offensive language that is on my website, and I'm not even going to say the word just because Google and YouTube are linked together, so let's don't ruin things. But I think finally my Performance Max ad is starting to work again, which I cannot... I'm so excited. But normally, guys, if this happens, and I talk about it like I'm doing right now, then it just seems to go to crap. But hopefully, I mean, we have gotten 2 orders today. Hopefully that will not happen. But I just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys, because a lot of my subscribers know that the store hasn't been doing quite as well as it once was. So I'm just going to flip it around, guys, and this will be one of my quickest videos, just because I want to show you guys, I want to inspire you guys to never give up and all that jazzy stuff, because it does work, guys. You can make anything work, but again, just be patient. So okay, I'll shut up. All right, bye-bye. And if you're new to this channel, I've been making money online for over 25 years. The last 10 years with print on demand and Shopify, maybe even longer. Who knows? And guys, I'll put a Shopify trial link. I think it's $1 for 3 days, and then you have a 30-day trial, free trial. So look for that somewhere in this description or pinned comment or what have you. And I'll put a link for Printful as well and all that good stuff. So anyway, and to let you guys know, I have ADHD, if you didn't know. Guys, I can't keep my... If you guys could come into my mind, again, I said it in a couple of videos ago, you would go mad. But I am going to start that new case study, new print-on-demand case study video series, and I'm going to walk you guys step by step on what I do when I'm trying to create a print-on-demand store on Shopify, as far as creating the logo. I mean, pretty in-depth, guys, and I don't know if I'm going to make it one video or maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. How about commenting down below if you guys want to see me make another case study, a print-on-demand case study video. Because this store that I'm getting ready to show you, the results, are from a case study that I did for you guys just over 2 years ago. We started it September 10th of 2022. And I'll show you the numbers of what it's done. But, well, I'll just tell you. It's done over $200,000, well, probably like $196,000. But anyway, comment down below, guys, if you want me to make a video. In fact, we'll leave it at that. Just please comment down below, guys, because when I don't get any engagement on these videos, I don't know what you guys want. I know there's several of you that have wanted this for a while. But please let me know, guys. For the love of God, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Okay, we'll flip it around again for the third time. Okay, so let's go to. So this is my dashboard. This tracks. It's called True Profit. It tracks like your cost of goods and the transaction fees, from Shopify or PayPal and all that good stuff. The numbers that I'm getting ready to show you. In fact. One moment, let's refresh this because this is today, but I want to make sure that we just got that order. Come on. And in fact, we did, guys. So today we have done 2 orders. Our profit on 2 orders, guys, is $108.24. That is freaking phenomenal. But what's even more phenomenal is yesterday's results. $283.60 profit, pure profit. Look at this profit margin of almost 50%. And if you guys are new to this channel, I on average, I'm like 38% profit, net profit on a daily basis. But we were doing these numbers back in up until the last couple months. I was doing, $200 to $300 to $400 a day in pure profit, and we will get it back, and that is exactly what is happening right now, guys. So there's that. Let me just show you the actual, and as you can see, guys, see how that tracks that 287.72, and then we have let me go to today. I can't tell you guys that little Shopify cha-ching. When I hear that, it like if I could hear that like 50 times a day, oh my God. And you can do it too. Trust me, guys. I am no one special. As I've always said, I am not a rocket scientist. Stick with this stuff. But as you can see, guys, this app is amazing, and I pay like $50 a month for it. But it tracks your conversions, and you guys have got to track your conversions. So 287. But anyway, let me just show you just real quick, in case you're new here to this beautiful place. Plus, I have to end this video anyway because my housekeepers are coming, and I'm going to go up to the rooftop pool. I was going to go to the beach, but I'm going to go up to the rooftop pool and hang out there for an hour or two while they clean my place, my casa. All right, guys, let's go to... We'll go custom. I just want to show you guys how much the store has made because you guys, if you can't tell, I'm very transparent, guys. I am so honest with you guys versus the other print-on-demand idiots. Custom. Let's go to 2022. Let's go to 09. Let's go to 10. Let's hit apply. Well, I was almost right on the money, guys. $195,000, 998. I don't know how to say that. This happened last time. 195,000, basically $196,000 is what we've done so far. And no, that is not profit, obviously. So, roughly 40% of that is profit. So you do the math on that, guys. Anyway, I do have to go, guys. I just wanted to show you that, and just really wanted to show you this to let you know that print on demand is not going anywhere. It's only getting better and better. And yeah, and the products are getting better, et cetera, guys. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful Friday wherever you are in this crazy place we call that frickin' world. And I will see you guys in the next video. As you know, guys, I've been making a video like every 2 to 3 days. So be on the lookout for the next video. And I wish you all a wonderful weekend too, by the way. But please comment down below and let me know if you would like me to make a new case study video. And I've already made the logo and it's freaking epic. So I'll see your monkey butts soon. Again, have a wonderful day and weekend. I love you all.